Today, I share 3 magical tools that transform anxiety within minutes. They are the secret anxiety somatic exercises for beginners with my daily practice analysis. With 22 years experience as a therapist, I found somatic therapy the winner for anxiety management. Anxiety is just one issue that responds really well to somatics. I've satisfied hundreds of clients with a variety of issues using these tools. Once I had a client dealing with frustration in session, and after just 2 minutes of somatic practice, surprise and relief came over his face because his frustration vanished. He thanked me, and I'll never forget it. Today, I would like to guide you using these same exercises. This video has 5 parts to it. First, I'll share the secret to stopping anxiety. Second, I'll guide you through the somatic exercises. It takes about 6 minutes. When you see the northern lights pop up on the screen, it means we're doing the exercises. Third, after the exercises, I will be at my desk offering you some feedback. Common responses people have so that you can rate how well you did. Fourth, I will give you 3 tips on how to use these tools in your daily life. And finally, number 5, I will give you my bonus advanced tip. Stick around, you won't want to miss that. There are time codes and chapters in the description so that you can follow along. Now for the big reveal, the secret to stopping your anxiety is to change it into a different form, making it easier to manage. I'm going to prove it right now. What is the first color that comes to mind when you think of anxiety? That's it. We just changed your anxiety to a color. Now we're going to use this color to do the exercises. As I get us set up, make sure you're in a quiet place to practice, even if it means going to the bathroom and locking the door, or using noise-canceling headphones. You should see the northern lights, so you can set the phone aside, sit back, relax, close your eyes, and just listen. Make sure your legs and arms are uncrossed for the best results. We begin with a little relaxation and breathing. Take a long, slow breath in your nose, filling up deep into your belly and chest. Relax your jaw, slowly releasing the air out. As you continue breathing in and out, gently, slowly, and deep, recall the color that came to mind a moment ago. Now the energy inside your body is that color from head to toe, and you get to let it go. Continue breathing. Give permission for the color to move down towards the ground. Imagine holes in the bottom of your feet so the color can easily drain out your feet. The ground can soak it up like a sponge. Notice the energy moving down. Continue relaxing and breathing. Noticing what it feels like for the energy to just move down. Allowing all the color to drain down and out your body. Stay here breathing slowly and relaxing for a minute, draining all this color out. Let gravity take over, soaking up all the energy. Notice what this movement, releasing, feels like. Continue draining it all out. And once it does, notice what your body feels like after. What word comes to mind on how your body is feeling now? As we move on to the next tool in the exercise, if there's any color left in your body, that's just going to automatically continue releasing. Now, I would like you to stay connected to your body, but at the same time, notice around the outside of your body, your personal bubble space. Just pay attention to that space around your body, the bubble. Notice, what does it feel like when you just pay attention? Pay close attention. It may be a gentle or subtle sensation. But what word comes to mind that describes how it feels to be in your private bubble space? Notice the size of your bubble. Notice if it's really close to your body or like a foot out, or maybe it's a couple feet out from your body. Just noting the size of it as it is right now. Give permission for the bubble to expand out farther. What do you notice changing? And then how does that feel on a sensation level? Just noticing the sensation change as well. Let's return to the video. I would love to hear how the exercises went for you. Feel free to comment on this video. I'm curious, what color did you see? And did you feel your energy draining down? How did it go connecting to your personal bubble? What feeling sensations did you notice connecting with it? And did your bubble expand larger? The easier it was for your energy to drain down and out your body shows your body's system open for change. If you felt a connection with your personal bubble and it expanded, This indicates a readiness for change. If this is you, I would like to invite you to Future Self Transformational Workshop I hold on Zoom once a month. The link is in the description. I wrote a handout for you to use as a reference, a guide on some next steps you can take to get your system ready. Regardless of how well your body responded or struggled with the exercises, it is beneficial to practice these each day. But how can you fit these exercises into busy days? I have 3 tips to share with you to fit them into your day easier. Ideally, you'll practice the color draining and the bubble connection once a day. However, more if you have anxiety more than once a day. Tip number 1 is at lunch, after you finish eating, give yourself a few minutes to just relax, take some deep breaths, let all the energy drain down and out. And that'll be a way you can get it in. And remember to do it just after eating lunch. Tip number 2, you can do it as you lay down for bed, just laying on your back, letting the mattress act as a sponge and just soak up all the energy in your body, just relaxing, surrendering, letting go of all the day, just giving yourself a few minutes as you lay there. And tip number 3 is to use this exercise randomly throughout your day. If you feel the anxiety coming up, you can simply just go to the bathroom and take a moment, lock the door, just get a moment to yourself and just let the energy drain down, relax, focus on your feet, letting it all go, breathing, just give yourself a few minutes. In that way, you can get it into your day. Anxiety is just the body's way of asking you for attention and regulation. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the likes button and subscribe to the channel. Consider sharing this video with a family or a friend that can benefit too from the exercises. Now, for my final advanced bonus. This tip gives you a way to manage your anxiety when other people are around. And the cool part, they don't even know you're doing it. So I'll explain how it works. Let's say you're sitting talking with someone and your anxiety starts to roll in. Mentally acknowledge the anxiety, sit back a bit in your chair, take a slow, deep breath, and soften your gaze. It's the difference between a hard stare and a soft gaze. And while the other person is talking, or even you're talking with the other person, that sitting back, softening allows you to focus on your breathing and let the energy drain down. This takes a bit of practice to get to that point where you can drain your energy with your eyes open and while in conversation. You will need to get good at practicing draining your anxiety out of your body. For a while, you'll practice draining your energy down when you're alone by yourself with your eyes closed. Once you're good at that, you'll practice draining by yourself with your eyes open, gazing softly at an object. And then you can take yourself and practice doing the draining when you're standing, like in a grocery line or something like that. Standing and draining is a great way to practice this as well. So once you can drain this energy out in a variety of ways by yourself, eyes closed, eyes open, gazing softly at an object, and standing in a grocery store line. Once you have good practice and good ability to do it in different settings with yourself, then you can take it to the next level and do it when somebody else is in the room. And all of this practice is going to make you feel more confident to drain anxiety. If you're around a group of people or family members and you're feeling that anxiety, it just gives you that extra added security that you've done it so many times before, and then you can just simply sit back, soften your gaze, and focus on your breathing and letting the energy drain down. With these somatic exercise tools, you have the power to make life easier and flow in a way that works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There are so many cool, awesome videos coming up on using your future self to heal issues. I look forward to seeing you in those videos.